we have this Red Sea and the Mediterranean. So we have an information where the points exactly. So to do this map, we should have initially we should have a coordination. Coordination we can get from the field. We go to the field and we record coordination from this field. Or we can do this on Google Earth if we know exactly where is my location. Or I can get it from the field and then put it on Google Earth. So basically, we need a coordination file, and we will get it from Google Earth. Most of you, I think, you have experience with Google Earth, but we will go through how to create this coordination map. So let me change the screen to Google Earth. So we have here Google Earth, and I already prepared the file for you. I think I sent you the project file. If anyone wants to see it, I will send it to you later. But you should find TM L file for observation project. But let's try to, if anyone doesn't have experience with Google Earth before, so we can create a folder for him. Now, click. So we have a project it's called observation, for example. Okay, and this was a lovely trip inside the Red Sea, and we found some dolphins. So we will make a folder for dolphin, and we have one spot like this one here, for example. We found a dolphin here, and we call this dolphin one, for example. So we have the point observation for dolphin here, and we can do so like other observation for sharks and turtle. The same idea. So now we have this file observation, and we have shark, point for shark, and the point for turtle, point for dolphin. So we take this, export this file as save place as, and you can save it in your folder. You already made it an observation file. And now I have TML file. Now, second stage, we will go to QGIS. I think you are late for QGIS, and now we will start with QGIS. Let me change the screen to QGIS. Sorry, just a moment. I'm just trying to open the areas. Here. We have QGIS. So if you open your QGIS for first time, so we will have this interface for the program. And don't get like stress. Yeah, it looks like a stressful software, and it is because the GIS it's huge science. So this kind of software like QGIS, ArcGIS, it's included huge amount of functions, settings, so you can adjust and do whatever you want. But today we will focus on very simple things to make out, like to do this map that I showed to you at the beginning of this session. So now we have EML file, which includes our coordination for the project. And now we will just do drag this file into into QGIS software. So basically, I have the file here. So I can just drag it inside the layer box here and giving me this message, which is telling me that's I will do the empty file and then just select all and just add layers here. So I have all the layers here, but uh, you see this is our observation point. But now I need a base map because I have the points here, but I don't have the base map. So if you downloaded the software for first time, you need to add a plugin for base map. I have uh, HCM. Okay. Mhm. This one. It is GIS, which is amazing to include. Um, will uninstall it for you just to show you how it's will be look like. So I'm going to plug in HCM. So we have here this plugin for bitmap, and we can choose whatever kind of map you have. You have several options of maps. We will choose now Google Maps. And here, this software have a concept of layers. So above layer, it's shown above all other layers down. So we have to drag Google Maps layers down. So now we have a map and we have our points here this way. But now we need to change the icons of these points because dolphin icon is not the same like turtle or shark's icons. So we're going on like in each layer, Robertus, and we choose single symbol, and we choose any symbol from here, and we just say apply, and we do the same for all layers. Of course, you can change the size of the symbol, the color, everything you can change. It's perfect, perfect software to get a perfect idea. That's what you are looking for. So now we have all the spots here, but we need to have the name of each layer on the symbol. So we have this option, right click and show labels, right click and show labels, right click and show labels. So we have everything here right now. The symbol, the name, the map, everything. Now we're going to the third stage, which is layout manager. Layout manager, we go to project and going to layout manager, and here we create a new layout which we call observation. Sorry. Okay. So we have this layout software. It's embedded or inside the GIS software. And the rule of this embedded software is to design your layout. So first, we need to include a map. We have here this icon for the map, and we just doing this way. And the map, it's rendering and giving me the map right now. Okay. So we can just adjust the map to fit our layout this way. Okay. And what we have to do next, we have to add um, the coordinations. Okay. So we selected the map, the layer that we add here. It's called the map one. And we,
بدأنا نتكلم بقى.
sorry. Okay. So we have here grids and we add grid. Okay. So now we have this grid. We go inside this grid and we do something. It's called draw coordination. And then we use the coordination system, which we need to include in our map. And we have the map units. And now we, oh, wow, that we have the coordinations on our map right now. Okay, but it's looked okay, but it could be much better. So now we have this solid. We can change it to cross. We change it to markers. Change it whatever without anything. So we will keep solid, but to look so much better, we can adjust the opacity of this layer. Okay, like this. So now we have a much better view for our map. This first thing. Second thing, we need to uh, try to do this points on left and right vertical way. Okay, how we can do this? We still inside the grid properties, so we go down here under draw coordination, we have horizontal, we change it to vertical ascending. We'll do the same for right, vertical ascending, and voila, we have much better view here now. See, it looks much better. Now we move to a north direction, which is here, this icon here. And also any of these tools, you can add items from here. So all of these tools included here. So we have here, it's an also direction, but we can have another better shape for north direction, which is here. So we can have this one, for example, or we can exchange another one. Something like this, whatever you want, you can do. Okay. After this, we can add scale bar. Okay, it's here. We have this scale bar, and you can change the properties of this scale bar style to, for example, line takes up like this one, so it looks much better, or you can try another style for this bar. Okay. What we do after, we have to add ligand. Okay, it's very important. Okay, so we have added here these ligands, but looks like this layer Google Maps. I don't want to include this in ligand. So now I am in the properties of ligand and go through down and only check auto update and just go and select this map and just the minus, which is referred to remove or delete, and voila, we have here much better ligand for my map. Okay. Anything else? I think we missed the last thing, which is the overview map. So as seen that we added the first map, we will do the same for overview map, which looks like this, but seems like it has the same shots, the same screen from the original map. So we need overview map. So basically what we will do, we will zoom out. We will change the scale here. So here, this scale, we can change this to, for example, increase to 18, something like this, or we can increase more the number, which is 100, for example. See how it's changed, like uh, 150, and so on. Yeah, we can change to 200. So increasing the number, making zoom out of the layer. So now we have the view of Red Sea. And if we do so more like this. So we have the view of all the world. I mean, like Africa and Asia, and you can do so whatever you want. Okay. And also we can do add a frame to look so much better to this map here. And if you want, you can add scale here or whatever you want. So depend on what how the design you wanted to how you wanted to your map to looks like, so you can design whatever you want. So now we have this map. Let's add frame here for the original one. Frame, frame, okay. So now we have all elements, right? So last thing, we should export this. So you can export your layout either as a picture or as a PDF or as SVG. So let's do export uh, as a picture, and let's do this read here and uh, that's it. And let's change the screen to show you the final product.